Today's video we are going to be unboxing the October Look Fantastic box. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. As stated, we are going to be unboxing the October Look Fantastic box. I was just filming, what's that, fold down, slide up. Oh yeah, I've managed to actually read the instructions properly and open the box. Yeah, I was actually unboxing another box, and while I was filming the door went, and yeah, this arrived. So if I look the same as another video, that's why, because I literally filmed that one 5 minutes ago. So yeah, this is inside the box. We get an advertisement, a couple of advertisements, and it's not much to look at, I must admit. Oh, there is a sneak peek for you. So I'm just, where's the card? We haven't got a card. What am I supposed to scan? I'm just on the website now, and thank goodness the page where you subscribe to them, they have information on the products of this month's box, which is fabulous. I can't see the name of this edit at all. It just says go from day to night with 6 beauty must-haves from espa, beautyworks and more, worth over £72. Okay, so yeah, let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. The first product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand espa, and it's Clean and Green Detox Mask. It's 30ml, it's a deluxe size, and it has a value of £21.82. It doesn't have any other information on the actual product, so let's just have a look here. So skin nutrient mask to purify, balance and refine. The nutrient rich deep cleansing mask clarifies for brighter looking skin. Yeah, sounds awesome. We have received this mask in previous boxes before, and I don't just mean Look Fantastic, I mean other beauty branded boxes. Have I used one yet? I think I have. I can't remember. I've used so many masks, oh my god. But yeah, great brand to start off with. Second product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Elixir Skin, I hope I'm saying that correctly, and it's Universal Emotion. It's 30ml, it's a full size product, and it's worth £17.40. Okay, so it's a day moisturizer night cream. Day moisturizer night cream. Okay, so just a moisturizer for any time of the day that you want. Let's have a look. Warm in the palm of your hand and apply to your face and eye contour, lips, neck, décolletage or décolleté area, however you pronounce that, hands and arms. Massage until the skin feels sealed. Plain, simple, to the point. Is that sealed? It is. We're going to leave that sealed because I'm a good girl. Yeah, I have never heard of that brand before. Have I been living under a rock? I just don't know, but have you heard of that brand before? Is it any good? Third product we've got is this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's an eyelash curler, which is obviously full size, and it has a value of £5. Yeah, cool. I could have done with this last week. I've lost all of my eyelash curlers. Don't know what I've done with them. I had to go out and buy a new one. And of course, now I've bought a new one, I've got one in a beauty box, and this is so much more prettier than the one that I bought. So just taking it out of the box. Oh, okay, there it is there. It feels okay quality. It's an eyelash curler, so yeah. I will test it out the next time I do makeup. Fourth product in the box that we've got is this. So this is by the brand Beautyworks, and it's Blow Dry Cream, 30ml, which is a deluxe size, and it has a value of £4. Yeah, cool. Really glad to get this to try it on out. It just says coat strands to protect against heat damage. Our lightweight cream formula is essential for users that style with heated tools. Formulated with argan oil and provitamin B5, it's essential antioxidants that keep your hair safe from styling while nourishing the hair from an overall healthier appearance. Yeah, cool. So apply lightly towel dried damp hair, pour product into the palm, rub palms together and then smooth through the hair, comb through, do not rinse, blow dry into the strands. Yeah, I've had the hair oil from this brand before and it smelled absolutely amazing. I am not going to open this because I think I will just cause a mess. Although, wait a minute, you just turn that around and do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Too late to go back now. Yeah, okay, yeah, I was right. So there it is there. Okay, it just feels like a conditioner, to be honest. It smells pleasant, and then it also at the same time has a very typical hairdresser smell to it, which isn't bad. But yeah, I really can't wait to use that because I absolutely loved their hair oil. So love trying new hair products. The product I've got in the box is this. Oh, I've got the shakes. So this is by the brand Delila, and it's a retractable liner in the shade Coal. It's a full-size product and it's worth £20. I love eyeliners from Delila. I've got one or two in my drawer, absolutely love them. So yeah, Coal, it just looks black, can you see that? And what I especially love, retractable, lazy girl here, I can't be bothered to sharpen things, but just testing it out. Oh, it's so soft and it just glides on and it's really, really nice. Really nice. I really like that. I really, really like that. It's so soft and creamy when you go to pop it on. I mean, I don't wear eyeliner a lot, but when I do, it's nice to have something soft and creamy like that. There's no pull or tugging along your eye at all. Beautiful and quite nicely pigmented as well. And final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand LLondon and it's Slay All Day Mini Liquid Lipstick in So Good. So the shade is called So Good. It's a deluxe size and it has a value of £4. I think I would have preferred if this was a gloss. I don't normally get on with liquid lipsticks, or I haven't found one that likes me in any way. I have got something on my lips. Let's just wipe it off a bit. Right, let's give it a go. So there is the dofer. That shade is really, really pretty. Gliding on, really nice. That feels so far really nice on the lips, but it is still wet. I love, love, love the colour. I will have to see how that dries and how it feels when it's dry, because I hate it when it dries and then you get that horrible thing on the inside your lip where it just comes off and it looks weird. But yeah, really nice colour. Let me just give you a close-up. That is the colour, it's absolutely stunning. Right guys, so this is the October Look Fantastic box with a value of, what did it say? £72? Over £72? There. What do you think? Personally, it's not a bad box. The sizes are actually pretty decent for most of them being deluxe sizes. Obviously we've got a full size eyelash curler, which is nice. Obviously really approve of the colour, pink. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous eyeliner. I absolutely love that. We have an espa product, which is fabulous, a nice face mask. We've got a moisturising cream, day or night, whenever you want to use it. We have the hair blow dry creamy thing. And yeah, we have that liquid lipstick by LLondon. It is starting to dry down now. A little bit sticky. Oh. Wait a few more minutes and see what happens. Right, so it's been about 5-ish minutes. Oh. That's generally what I don't like about liquid lipsticks. That always happens. But the inside of the lip looks okay. Okay, I wonder if I put a bit of oil on, a bit of lip oil on, I wonder what that will feel like and look like. But I do like the colour. It's just such a shame that it does that. But yeah, like I say, overall for me in any way it gets a thumbs up. What do you think? Comment it down below. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, the link and everything is below. You'll get some money off, which is always good. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.